All anybody running a country really, literally had to do was make sure that all the 144,000 individuals who are known as the chosen ones, I'm quite sure that the government, the White House, has certain specific documents, if not doctrines, that, allow them to know who the chosen ones are. There is no way that you guys could possibly not know this shit. As I've been targeted all my life, how the fuck is that able to be? How could it happen? I really need somebody to explain this shit to me. Because I'm really ticked off about all the shit that I've been going the fuck through. All of the fucking work and shit like that I've put in and don't have shit to show for it. Not a home, not a fucking vehicle. Not even fucking money to get rent a fucking home. It's too much. It's too much. It's too much for one individual. But like at the same time that I say this, it does not make it any easier when we have people who are scamming out here. How can you be worried about starting a war on the outside of you? I think I've said this enough. How can you be ready to start a war on the outside of America? Or just in any sense, right? But then you haven't fixed shit on the inside. Trump, I'm quite sure you have a home to go to. Elon, I'm quite sure you have a home to go to. And I'm also quite sure that you two both have been living life as it relates to not having to struggle, right? I mean, you really don't have to tell me because I know what my life is like. So why is my life the way that it is and y'all lives are the way that it is? Why haven't that shit met up in the middle and became equal yet? Can somebody please answer me this? What makes anybody any better than anybody else for somebody else to be living above somebody else? People think they're special because they live above their means, but they're not concerned about the bills and shit that's racked up behind.